The Hanke 26-inch expandable luggage is designed for travelers who want smart access, strong protection, and smooth mobility in one reliable suitcase. What makes this suitcase stand out is the top-opening design. You can open it easily with one hand, making it perfect for tight spaces like airport aisles, hotel rooms, or car trunks. Unlike traditional clamshell luggage, there's no need to fully lay it flat, which makes packing and unpacking faster and more convenient. This design is also especially helpful for elderly travelers or anyone who prefers effortless handling. The expandable hard shell design adds up to 2 inches of extra storage when needed, giving you flexibility for longer trips or extra items on the way back. Inside, the deep main compartment and multiple storage sections help keep large items secure while keeping everything organized and easy to access. Built from high-quality, impact-resistant polycarbonate, this suitcase is made to handle tough travel conditions. The diamond-textured surface helps protect against scratches and impacts, while the reinforced explosion-proof zippers provide added security even when the luggage is fully packed. This combination ensures long-lasting durability without sacrificing a clean, elegant look. For smooth and quiet movement, the suitcase features 8 silent spinner wheels that glide effortlessly across airport floors, carpets, and uneven surfaces. Multiple reinforced handles on the top, side, and bottom make lifting easy, while the sturdy multi-level aluminum telescopic handle allows you to adjust the height for comfortable pushing or pulling. If you're looking for a lightweight yet heavy-duty checked suitcase with a smart top-opening design, expandable capacity, and effortless rolling, the Hanke 26-inch luggage is a great choice for stress-free travel. You can check the link below to see the latest price and availability.